Welcome back to my little slice of hell. At least one little bit has gotten a little better than it was. So, got everything cleaned up, the room's painted, ceiling's done,
and the fan is in.
Lights are in.
Here, let me show you. And let me show you how you turn it on.
Oh, she wants to show you.
It's new. So, if you press this, then put the camera up there. Okay.
Amazing. Fantastico.
And then, let me show you another.
Stupendo.
Let me show you another.
Bravo, bravo, bravo.
It's brava, not bravo.
I said bravo.
And if you hit these buttons that say 1 through 6, it means that you can control the speed. So if I show 6, then watch.
Magic.
If I press 5, it's
Magia.
slower, 4 slower, 3 slower, 2 slower, 1.
And that's all there is this weekend, folks,
And
other
then-
than me cleaning and watching her press buttons for the next 3 hours. Bye.